Most people drink water every day and still stay dehydrated. They wake up tired. They crash in the afternoon. Their skin feels dry. Their head feels heavy. And they're confused because they are drinking water. Here's the truth no one explains. Hydration is not about how much you drink. It's about how much your body can absorb. And once you understand this, everything changes. Water alone doesn't automatically hydrate your cells. Your body needs minerals to pull water into the cells, especially sodium, potassium, and trace electrolytes. Without them, water can pass straight through you without ever reaching where it's needed most. That's why you can drink bottle after bottle and still feel thirsty, foggy, or drained. This is not a failure of discipline, it's a misunderstanding of biology. Most people respond by drinking more water, or they turn to sugary electrolyte drinks, powders, or energy beverages that overstimulate the body. These may feel helpful for a moment, but they spike blood sugar, stress digestion, and leave you more depleted later. What your body actually wants is something it recognizes. Something simple, gentle, naturally balanced. This is where coconut water comes in. Not as a trend, not as a fitness drink, but as a hydration reset. Natural coconut water contains potassium, sodium, magnesium, and trace minerals in a ratio that closely mirrors human plasma. That's why the body absorbs it so quickly. It doesn't have to work to process it. It knows exactly what to do with it. When you drink properly sourced coconut water, hydration doesn't feel stimulating. It feels settling. Your nervous system softens. Your digestion stays calm. Your energy rises gradually, without a crash. This is what real hydration feels like. Quiet, steady nourishment. Not a rush, not a spike, not a buzz. Timing matters. The best time to drink coconut water is in the morning or early afternoon, when digestion is calm and absorption is highest. Avoid drinking it late at night, and avoid mixing it with heavy meals. This is not something to chug. Sip it slowly, let your body receive it. Not all coconut water is equal. Avoid versions with added sugar, artificial flavors from concentrate labels. Look for coconut water with one ingredient, clear or lightly cloudy appearance. A clean, subtle taste, not overly sweet. Your body can tell the difference, even if the label doesn't shout it. This isn't a detox, and it's not a quick fix. Think of it as a daily hydration foundation. Small input, consistent support, cumulative benefits. When your cells are hydrated properly, everything else works better: energy, digestion, skin, and focus. In part 1, we talked about building immunity with what the body recognizes. This is the same principle, applied to hydration. And next, I'll show you the green drink that floods your cells with nutrients in minutes, without overwhelming digestion. If this helped you understand hydration differently, subscribe so you don't miss the next part. We're not chasing trends here, we're rebuilding foundations. Because when the body is supported gently, it doesn't have to shout for help.